In this video, we will see how to adjust the time, the weekday, and the date on your Bobo Bird Watch. First of all, let's start with the time. So, take the crown and fully pull it. You will realize there is 3 positions. That's the position 0, nothing happened. There's a position in between, and there's the position number 2, which is the one to adjust the time. So you just turn it clockwise, and that's it. When we go in between here, right here, if you turn it clockwise, as you can see, we can adjust the weekday. And if we turn it counterclockwise, we can adjust the date, just like that. When you are on that position, just make sure that you are not between 18 o'clock and 3 o'clock. To make sure, just make sure that your small hand is on the lower part of the screen. The reason why is that because when you just hit, actually that's AM, let's do a full turn and go into PM. This is where you have the weekday and the date to change. And because there is some mechanism in the watch that are engaged, if you try to modify it while it is engaged, you might damage it. Actually, I did that mistake, and now if I change the date, you see that there's some stuff happening right there. See, from Wednesday to Thursday to Friday, there's some weird stuff going on. So just don't do it if the hand is on the lower part of the screen. That being said, I hope this was helpful.